The name just sounds great. Amaziyah the great. I say it the right way, King. I say it the right way. Come in, pronounce it the right way. Alright. So Voiceout. Man.
Blessings and respect. Pleasant good night, people. I am Amaziyah the Great, aka Craig Kirkland. I'm going to do some poetry tonight. I wrote a book, it's on Amazon, it's called Don't Cry by Craig A. Kirkland, so you can check that out. I want to name The Bitterness, because over the years since me exist on earth, we see a lot of men are ill treat our women, and these things need to be stopped. You can play something like emotional. So, just, yeah. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" And she yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheat, lies, you all take love for a game. I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor, yeah, put a bullet in his brain. Baby, hold on, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me, you can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9, it really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So he had sex with his best friend and what's up in the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, later started attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor. Threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She said she still hates men, her heart is now cold. I offered a hug, she squeezed me tightly, saying thank you Mr. Kirkland for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? The bitterness, sad reality of what some women are experiencing in our world today. Tell them precisely.
Yeah.
Much respect. Like Mr. People, the book is called Don't Cry, it's on Amazon. You can check it out. The one in them, you will be okay. You are remarkable. You are strong. You are one of God's greatest gifts. Follow Him and you will never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. You see, the skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moments, you experience pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused. Be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong move. Are you feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied? Fret not, for Jah already sent an angel to be your trouble guide. You will be okay, just know that God is real. After you overcome the sophisticated phase, it will be the strongest you ever feel. You are beautiful, you are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more, you will be okay. Forget about them who don't believe in you because you have no time to play. You are a fighter, a survivor, you resist to quit. You are loved, you're a queen, you deserve lifetime happiness. Tell them precisely. Much respect. Alright, another one I would already know. Much respect. The one named Respect. Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some say sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, well, if a negative remarks, yell out. What do you expect? Sure respect because history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encounter every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneaking me, creeping, they wanna take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Love was gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind shoveling zone space. My girlfriend won't seem obsessed with me, vexed with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention focused on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate, but display more hate. Anger escalates, much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorates, and that concerned me. What kind of society we're gonna have 2030? Tell them, just play the answer for me below, one more track and let's go. You have the answer? Precisely. From the other day, them see the same peculiar look. And everybody asks me why I'm there, I wonder. So I just tell them precisely. Bronx, New York. See a peculiar look in my eyes, how much she look. See a peculiar look in my eyes, how much she worried in a corner cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know what I'm to hold me try. See a peculiar look in my eyes, how much she worried in a corner cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know what I'm to hold me try. And all the time to gamble, you're not telling me if it's your lies. I am and fed up on the suffer of poor life. No food, see and clothes, they ain't nothing 4 nights. Mama, she a ball, I know she gets more right than the dead. Someone trouble, someone tell me if it no right. Hear me to be rich, pushing Benz and Rolls right to the beat. My people from this misery, low life, medicate and eat. They use them big grow right. See I'm peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner cry. See I'm peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know what I'm on top. Funny, I've been wearing old shoes like this. Can't find the first time for my food priceless. Pour the price and then I moves like this. If I would exclude pricing. I'm like, what's the profit shot in shoes like this? On inferior, superior, them I move like bitch. The crime will escalate and then I shoot like this. Cardell put his off, it moves like this. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know, I'm not to hold me try. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner cry. See a peculiar look, you're wondering why. I don't know, I'm not to hold me try. Me won't be help, but I can't get the sponsor. See a peculiar look, make me keep back and I wonder. Where me I go do now for solve the answer, should I rather kill or go sell some ganja? Rocky up the road, so move me up the trod. God, the temptation, me I beg you, oh God. Tempted in violence and lot of things were bad. Me really don't want nobody else to start. See a peculiar look in my eyes. Mama, she worried in the corner cry. See a peculiar look. But it's moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, and none of them can stop me. Moving on, the city heat and I watch. All the by my side, none of them can drop. I'm responsible for Amaziyah, change me name and step up higher. Never let them Messiah, read a song, chant a prayer. Repeat the love of fire, them will light them with a fire. But take some dirty Gaia, we burn them with some tire. Women we admire like Alicia and Araya. Woman with the fire, looking boom when them on tire. The youth and the street are while I do that, they get wiser. Prosperity, the desire, no way, and I retire. Moving on, no matter how them a chat me. Moving on, them can't stop me. Moving on, me see the heat and I watch. All the by my side, none of them can trap. Them chatting on the road, who them think them cool. Cause I like the girls and the girls like me. That's what they're saying precisely. I like the girls and the girls like me. Be like she and she like C. Stacey Jet Iman, Mercy on mine on. She really great, come and sing like a nice one. I'm on I1, she walk on an island. Like a bar roller with his box like diamond. My John get climb on, better no wine. And if you can't get the girl, then me rather go buy one. Nice one, tight one, ugly or high one. Girls from Jamaica, straight up to Taiwan. Cause I like the girls and the girls like me. That's what they're saying precisely. I like the girls and the Bronx, enough respect. Big respect is Amaziyah the Great. Check the book out, people. It's called Don't Cry on Amazon by Greg A. Kirkland. Maximum respect in every aspect.